Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy, Big Buff? Glass City and Mess Hall Diggs on Friday nights, defend the hustle, y'all. Buffalo Picker. Have you ever heard of my boy, Big D, out of California, Regina Michelle? Yeah, fundamentals of the side hustle, Wednesday nights. Have you ever heard of Shaw? Have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of Nice Tea? Have you ever heard of my boy out of South Carolina, or North Carolina, wherever he's from, Casey, your golf club king? Have you ever heard of my boys, Louis and Lewis, one from California, one from Texas, the Lone Star Picker, and the Cali Reseller? Yeah, have you ever heard of my boy Dixon Pickens? Yeah, he lived 99 miles away from me. Yeah, that dude, he coming up, y'all. Well, this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is Kevin. I just want to, make a video about, it's not all about, some people might be about hustling and picking, stuff like that, but it's all different kind of hustles. And I'm finna show y'all one. Let me turn y'all around. I'm at a scrap yard. Let me turn. Yeah, right now I'm finna scrap some cleanup metal. You know what I'm saying? When you out cleaning up, you cleaning up. So we finna get on the scale, see how much this stuff weigh. Well, actually see how much my vehicle and the trailer weigh. And then we're gonna go dump it. Come back, weigh again. That's how you get paid. The difference in weight. So let me go in here, the scale right here, right now. I'm at 8,600 pounds. Hold on a minute. I'm at 8,600 pounds right now. That's what the vehicle trailer. Kevin McPike.
McPike, I got you.
Thank you. So you give them your name, and then you come back around and reweigh yourself after you dump everything. So that's what I'm getting ready to do, y'all. I'm getting ready to dump this stuff off the trailer. Then we're gonna come back and weigh myself, see how much I get. Sometimes hustling is more than just picking, stuff like that. I do everything. Let me turn y'all back around. I do everything, y'all. I pick. I told y'all I pick up soda cans. I don't give a damn. If I drive down the street and see a washer on the street, I'm gonna pick it up, because that's worth money. All this stuff worth money, y'all. So man, this dude loaded up right here. See that dude with all the refrigerators and stuff? But this ain't nothing. See that big pile back there? Man, I ain't doing that. I want to put my stuff off the side. Anyway, y'all, let me go back. Let me bag this trailer up. He want me right here. I want to go where I want to go. You know what I mean? Let me bag my trailer up. Let me do what they say. This their place. So I'm doing what they want me to do. That's just it. Okay, y'all, let me take y'all off of this and show y'all what I got. Yeah, y'all see that? See that trailer back there? That's some of the stuff I got. It's hardly nothing. That's probably about $100 worth of stuff. It's probably about $100. Nothing compared to what everybody else got. But that's gonna be choosy. See that? Anyway, y'all, I'm finna unload this stuff and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm finished dumping. Now we get ready to go get that cash. So, yeah, follow along with me. We're finna go back through the line, weigh again, and get that cash money. Sorry, y'all. Let me pull my gloves off, start this truck up. Hopefully this start. If it don't start, call AAA. Let me get it started. Yeah, old Betsy always start, no matter what. Heavy Chevy. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I'm gonna say this about 3 more times before I clock out of this video. But like I said, I pick everywhere. I just don't pick at Walmart. Matter of fact, I'm going to Walmart after this. Use this money for this junk to pay for some video games or something. I'm going to Walmart for secret sales. I mean secret prices, hidden Walmart prices. So let me turn y'all back. Y'all can see this dude didn't even stop. Go back in here. Now we was at 8,600 pounds, right? Right, y'all? We was at 8,600. We finna see how much we weigh now. I'm guessing we're gonna be at about 7,800 pounds. I'm guessing that's probably close to 1,000 pounds worth of stuff. So we get ready to see though. This dude in front of me had a whole lot. He said that this stuff came from his house. What the hell? But he do refrigerating, you know, refrigerators and stuff like that. So he said his wife said get that stuff the hell out, so he got it out. Me, my stuff came from a house. So that's 2 different things. I wish I did have all that stuff in one house. We finna drive on this. So it's just scale reset. Okay, my turn. Okay, let's see. Okay, we at 7620. So we at 80. That's almost 1,000 pounds. Almost. So it's 20 pounds from being 1,000. So yeah. All right, thank you. So that'd have been half. So I just made like $80-something. All that stuff was $80-something. But that's money I wouldn't have had. And all I was doing was cleaning out the house. So that's extra money from cleaning. So you guys get your hustle on, and let me get out. This is where you guys go get your money at, right here. Hold on, y'all. Let me put y'all on hold. Okay, y'all, I'm back. That wasn't nothing but $83, y'all. All that stuff, 1,000 pounds was $83. The prices here are $170 a ton. So a ton is 2,000 pounds. So all I have is 1,000. So that's all I got. But it was free. It's something extra. So hey, y'all, I'm out making money every way I can. So I just want to make this quick little video, show y'all what I do sometimes when I don't have no handyman jobs. So, but anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah, peace.